Thinking about having an eye procedure done or maybe questions about cataracts? Well, our next guest, she's got you covered. Of course, I'm talking about Dr. Kathleen McCabe from the Eye Associates, who joins us today to tell us about her practice and a little bit about herself and even some advancements in eye technology. But first, getting to know you, I can tell you're just very excited and passionate about what's going on in the clinical eye world. So how did you get so passionate?
Well, you know, eye care is so dear and near to all of our hearts. It's something that we use every waking moment, our vision, and I've had the privilege of helping people see better, sometimes better than they've ever seen before after having cataract surgery. So that's been really a wonderful part of my practice.
And you have an expertise or a specialty that you really want to be able to share with our viewers out there today?
Yeah, so I specialize in cataract and refractive procedures, so basically procedures that help you to see better, and oftentimes procedures that help you to see without glasses.
I would say, I keep hearing that this is such a trend, and these people who have glasses, you're not married to them anymore. What can you do out there if there's someone watching that's in that boat of, how can I finally put these glasses down once and for all?
So a couple of things. If you're younger and you need glasses and you just want to get rid of them and you're not of an age where you have cataracts, there are LASIK procedures or even a clear lens replacement or something called a phakic IOL or something like a contact lens that can go inside the eye. So we have many different tools today that we can customize to the needs of the patient and their physical health as well.
That's an interesting thing to point out, how you do cater to every patient.
In fact, that's one of the things that we really are passionate about at the Eye Associates, is customizing both the treatment and the discussion with the patient and what their options are and what our combined goals for an outcome are.
And you know, I've heard that LASIK surgery or any of these surgeries you're talking about, actually they're really painless, they take no time, but I'm a little skeptical. Is that really true?
Yes, it is true, thankfully. So yeah, patients are so excited about their vision, and oftentimes when I'm doing either a LASIK procedure or cataract surgery, the most common thing people say at the end of it is, "That was it?
Really?
You did it?" And I was like, yeah, that's all there was to it.
You know, and I'm curious too, with technology advancing the way it is, what's the future looking like in eye surgeries?
Well, one of the reasons I got into eye surgery in particular was because of the technology and how quickly it advances. And so even today, year over year, we have newer, better things to offer patients. So some of the things that we are introducing now are ways of making our patients more independent of their reading vision, something that's been a little bit harder to achieve in the past. We have new devices called corneal inlays that allow us to achieve that.
It sounds like you have things to be able to correct across the gamut.
Yes, we do. So there are more options after cataract surgery that allow people to be very independent of glasses, different implants, different devices, and so it's really, really been an exciting place to be.
And one thing I want to point out too about the Eye Associates, we're not talking about just one location. You're all over the Bay Area.
We are, and so we have offices from Sun City to Ellington, East and West Bradenton, Sarasota, and Venice. So we have kind of a broad swath of the West Coast here.
Well, and I want to point out too, if anyone at home is watching and wants to get in touch with you, do you mind going ahead and sharing phone number, website? What's the best way to get in touch?
So there are a number of different ways. The website is theeyeassociates.com, or our main number is 941-792-2020.
Great.
And so different ways to get us. We're so excited to see our patients and figure out what that customized solution would be.
Well, we are so excited to have you on Tampa Bay's Morning Blend. So thank you for your time, doctor. We really do appreciate it.